Allah. I like it. What you're making?
We're making red velvet cupcakes. 1/4 cup softened butter. 3/4 cup granulated sugar.
It's a process called creaming. The Shaem is called cream currying.
1 large egg. So the recipe calls for buttermilk. Agar aapke paas nahi hai, so you can just mix 1/2 cup milk with 1 teaspoon of vinegar. 1/2 tablespoon vinegar. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. 1 cup flour. 2 tablespoon good quality cocoa powder. 1/2 teaspoon salt. 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda.
Why sifting?
It makes our cupcakes light and airy. So now we're gonna add the red food coloring, 1 tablespoon. 2 tablespoons of softened butter, about 4 tablespoons of room temperature cream cheese, 1/2 cup of powdered sugar, and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. All right, so now I'm gonna whisk it together.
I like it. I'll try this.